Morning children, welcome to the e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Children, I Tapas sir, your language teacher. Today I am going to teach standard 4 students English grammar and composition lesson number 6 pronouns. Lesson number 6 pronouns. Let's start the lesson children. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Anushka bought a beautiful purse but she lost it in the train. You can see sentence Anushka bought a beautiful purse. Here we are talking about a girl called Anushka. As she is a girl, for her place we have written a word which resembles her, that is she or it. Anushka, for Anushka we have used she because she is the pronoun used for girls or female. And one more noun is there, purse. Purse is a non-living thing. For that we have used it. So for Anushka, she, and for purse, it. These are the two pronouns used in place of two nouns. So pronouns include I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them, mine, our, your, his, hers and theirs. These are all pronouns. Now we will know about the first exercise we will do here. Rewrite the sentence using pronoun in place of the noun word in red. Don't touch the iron. The iron is hot. Here you have to write the sentence changing the noun into pronoun. So first one is don't touch the iron is hot. Answer will be don't touch the iron, it is hot. As iron is a non-living thing, you have to use it. If it is a singular noun, you have to use it. Rajini is sleeping. Rajini is wearing a night suit. The night suit is pink. Rajini is a girl. So for Rajini, we have to use pronoun she. She is wearing a night suit, and suit is a non-living thing and it is singular. That's why it is pink. Now Jafar has not arrived yet. Jafar is always late. I must talk to Jafar today. Jafar is a boy, so we have to use pronoun he in place of Jafar. He is always late. I must talk to him today. As we are repeating that noun Jafar, so here we have to use the same masculine pronoun, that is he and him for Jafar. Shalini went to a garden. There Shalini met her friend. Shalini and her friend had a great time in the garden. Here Shalini is a female or a girl, so we have to use pronoun she. There she met her friend. They, here both we are talking about Shalini and her friend. So two persons are there. For them we have to use plural pronoun, that is they. They had a great time in the garden. Now personal pronoun. It is one of the kind of pronoun, personal pronoun. We talk about any person, animal or thing. That time we say the pronoun to be a personal pronoun. Pronoun of the first person refer to the speaker. The person, as I am talking to you, I am the speaker, so I am first person. So which are the pronoun used for first person? I, me, we and us. Second person is the person to whom I am talking. Means If I am talking to you, then you are the second person, and third person refer to the person, animal, thing spoken about, means about whom we both are talking. I am talking to you, we both are talking about somebody else. That time we say that third person, that person to be third person, like he, him, she, her, it, they, them. These pronouns are considered to be third person plural number, or as well as singular number, as he, him, she, her, it. These are singular pronoun. They and them used for plural pronoun. Now bit number B exercise, underline the personal pronoun and write whether they are in the first person, second person or third person. Means here we have to underline the pronouns first, and you have to say which person it belongs to. We will take part in the marathon. It is on Monday. Here we, first person, it, third person. We, first person, it, third person. Second one, we will also ask other to join us. We, first person, ask also first person. Third one, I am sure we will have a good time. I, first person. We, also first person. Fourth one, they will give the money to the poor. It is a noble effort. They, third person. It, also third person. Sweta said she would also come. You can come with her. She is third person. You, also second person, and her, third person. She, third person, you, second person, and her, third person. Now bit number C, fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronoun. Now some fill in the blanks are given. You have to fill the blanks with personal pronoun. Yamini lives across the street. As Yamini is a girl, so we have to use pronoun she. She is my friend. Abhay and Arun are running to school. Both boys' name are given, so it is plural. So you have to use plural pronoun they. They are late. The dog was hungry. Dog is an animal and singular, so you have to use it. It lapped up all the milk. Fourth one, Raghu has a younger sister. Raghu is a boy. He loves, sister is a girl, her a lot. He loves her a lot. He is for Raghu and for sister her. Fifth one, Neha said to Chitra, do not worry Chitra, I will help you with the homework. Now both friends are talking with each other. Neha is saying to Chitra, don't worry, I will help you with the homework. So I is the pronoun for Neha and you for Chitra. The choir from the other school is performing now. We will perform after them. Here we is used because choir is a group. It is also plural. So one choir will go, then next choir will come. That will also a group. That's why we will be used for the group. Raman said, this is Rahul's pen. I myself kept it here. Here I is used for Raman and it is the pen. It is the pronoun used for the pen. So singular pen, one pen is that, that's why it is it. Next one, Smita was participating in a play in a school function. Smita is a girl, so she invited her grandfather for it. He enjoyed watching the play. Now it is for the play and he is for the grandfather. So here Smita, feminine gender, so she, play, neuter gender, it, grandfather, masculine gender, he. Now possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun shows possession, belonging or ownership. The blue dress is mine. It in this book. Is this book yours? In the above sentence, mine and yours shows to whom the object mentioned in the sentence belongs. They are possessive pronoun. Means if a thing belongs to someone, we say it is possessive noun or pronouns. As we are talking about here pronoun, so you have to use the pronoun which shows possession or possessive form. Like first person speaker, mine and ours, these are two possessive pronouns. Second person listener, the person who is listening to first person, that is yours. You is personal pronoun and yours is possessive pronoun. Third person, if it is person or animal or thing spoken about, we are talking about. If it is a person, if it is a boy, his, girl, hers. If animals, theirs or non-living thing, its. His, hers, theirs and its belongs to possessive pronoun. Now exercise D. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Here also option is given in the bracket. You have to select the correct option. The book belongs to Sonam. It is hers. Hers is possessive pronoun. The farmhouse on the hill is ours. We go there every summer. It is ours is possessive pronoun. These scarves belongs to Anandi and me. They are ours. The scarves is plural, so it is ours. I bought those pens. They are mine. My mother gifted that tie to my brother. It is his. Brother is masculine gender, so his. Those sisters are these. Sorry, whose shirts are these? Are they yours? Means the shirt belongs to you, yours. Renu borrowed my crayon. She had given hers to the poor child she saw on the road. So here hers belong to Renu. That is possessive pronoun. The rabbits ran into a burrow. Is that burrow theirs? Rabbits plural, so you have to use possessive pronoun theirs. If my sister does not get a new toy, she will take mine. Mine is the possessive pronoun. It is for Rahul to decide. The decision is his. Rahul is masculine gender, so his is the possessive pronoun you have to use for Rahul. Next, demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun belongs or says about or points out something. Like you can see, this is a ball, that are bats, these are bats, that is a toy, those are toys. This shows that we are pointing out those things which are close, singular, which are far from us, plural. So it is called demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun indicates something. We point out something. It is animal, bird, human being or any non-living thing. Here you have to underline the possessive pronoun and write pronoun, and you have to write whether they are possessive, demonstrative or personal pronoun. This is Rahul's book, please give it to him. This is demonstrative, it is personal, him is also personal pronoun. Second number, that is a blue kite, it is flying so high. That is demonstrative pronoun, it is personal pronoun. These are Sanjay's pencil, they are not mine. These demonstrative pronoun, they personal pronoun, mine is possessive pronoun. Those are Sugandha's doll, they are kept on the topmost shelf. Those are demonstrative pronoun, they are personal pronoun. I am going to Kenya's house. You should go to yours. I personal pronoun, you personal pronoun, yours possessive pronoun. So here we discuss about possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns and personal pronoun. I or me, how we use these two pronouns. I and me are personal pronoun of the first person. They refer to the speaker. They are placed later in the sentence if we are talking about another person or ourselves. Ronit and I play tennis. Do you want to play with Ronit and me? You see, I and me generally used after the noun Ronit. So, excuse me. So, I and me, a personal pronoun, they are first person, but when we use them in the sentence, we use them after a noun. Here, exercise G, rewrite the sentence correctly. The teacher gave the book to me and Harjinder. The teacher gave the book to Harjinder and me. You can see, me is generally used after noun Harjinder. Sonia, I and Jagan are going to school. Sonia, Jagan and I will be used after noun Sonia and Jagan. Sonia, Jagan and I are going to school. Third one, my father bought ice cream for me and my sister. My father bought ice cream for my sister and me. So me will be used after noun sister. Do you want to share your chocolate with me and Vivek? Answer, do you want to share your chocolate with Vivek and me? Fifth one, I and Yuki like to play video game. Here, Yuki and I like to play video game. I will be used after noun Yuki. Next one, sixth one, Cherry, me and Ajay are going to the fair together. Here, Cherry, Ajay and me are going to the fair together. So here me also used after Cherry and Ajay. Seventh one, Parampreet and me made this cake for you. Here, Parampreet and I made this cake for you. It will be not me, it will be I. I and Sadaf go to same school. Answer will be Sadaf and I go to same school. Means here I will be used after noun Sadaf. So here how to use me and I. Generally we see sentence when we write a noun, after the noun we use me and I pronoun. So this lesson is over, children. So please watch it again and again at home. Very important lesson of pronoun. To understand the lesson clearly, you have to go through the video attentively and at least 3 to 4 times you watch the video. I am sure there will be no doubt regarding this lesson. So bye bye children. God bless you. Stay at home and prepare for your exam. Bye bye.